May ni som pakhat sang ni som ni paruk ania British bungro purlong he Qatar bula hianin be ania abe tu te chukan she mai na rin ama hemi chungchang hi heavy tu ni kan ron reaction main he kan en holo khang
St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School chuan kumchang ni somni parukatanga sang ni somni pasari academic sessionatan class 11 arts admission kan hongle ta e kan zirlai te talent phau chuanan co-curricular activities strong school sport field trip picnic excursion teachers day le adang te ro pui taka man pui thinan ni experienced teacher ten pathian thune na no pangan zirtirna le an kai hoina skula hian admission ron ti vero le.
Yes, St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School chaltang liliveng ay zol e phone number 10 ronda chuaka ilohan bianga admission ilohan tive theu don yo le ngan react nang.
Now we're going to move to the Middle East because a British cargo ship has been attacked off the coast of Qatar as the Trump administration.
Helai hi cargo ship British cargo ship khadita de ya karin lo dan in he British bungro phur long hian mo he British long hian he tilaya he amaus ka dan zone hi he tilaya Strait of Hormuz hi kaltang atumanga chutia kaltang atum chu Iran lampang hian in an bei tina anianga kalutiril ruani ani how lo mai helai hin Qatar oma helai hi Doha ni ta helai bul haya British long hi Iran hian zuk bei ringot mai ani a common law khop mai he thile hi chu soi to ang khadin in ka hayan pu me kan Iran le US te hian he in ka hayan puan hi Iran lampang hian in antes ani bo chetai la enge theng thei zuk bei chin te ang chon eng tin nge an ti kan en chin don nia ti ang ril rupu deu khan Iran hi an che thin ni in ka hria ani ke chuan tu te po hi British long hi Strait of Hormuz bul haya po omlo he ta Persian Gulf fa dei ni om kaltang po tumlo helayan blockade kha amaro chu tiang hian in Qatar bul naya hi Iran lampang hian in zuk bei ringot mai ani
Waits for Iran's response to their latest peace or negotiation proposal.
This, of course, as Secretary of State Marco Rubio and Special Envoy Steve Witkoff meet with Qatar's prime ministers.
Chief Foreign Correspondent Trey Yings is live in Tel Aviv.
Marco Rubio le Qatar Minister Khan Lewin mubok ni turani he pa bok to so hito na kan riek le
Very latest. Good morning, Trey.
Yeah, hey guys, good morning. Another busy weekend in the region. A cargo ship off the coast of Qatar was attacked this morning. An unknown projectile hit the vessel that was about 23 nautical miles northeast of Doha, according to the UK Maritime Agency. The explosion caused a small fire that is now under control, according to reports. The incident...
Unknown projectile anti he unknown projectile anti hi drone an soi na nge rocket an soi na nge missile an soi na kakashia talan ni lawani eng po ni theya amaro chu Iran ani chuan Iran ina abe chuan drone ani lo pon missile ani ka ringa tin an ka pa akang ve nge yani ti chuan in kang mei chuak te po kha khang te po kha an threl le to chu wang chuan missile chu ni se akang na savia wanga chu wang chuan in drone te po ani theina chance om tho mai he unknown projectile an ti hi mo heta news a phei chuan in UAE te Kuwait mo Qatar ba ka khan heng te hian in be an to ka ni drone attacks anti he news pakatan ron tarlan dam phei chuan chu wang chuan heta British bungro phurlong te po hi karin dan chuan drone hmangin Iran lampang hian in an ron be chin ani karing hetiang be mai nan I sipai military Indo long po ni lem lo be mai nan chuan in an missile te hi Iran lampang hian an mandu karing lawa mani khanin Iran lampang chuanin US Indo long pathum beinan kha chuanin missile chun mangei kaka Indo long ani chu wang chuan missile an mang amaro chuang te chu bongro phur long ania lo in ve ngai na kha an tan om don lo shrim chu wang chuan henga hi chuanin Iran lampang hian an missile hi an khoral du bigin ka ring lawa chu wang chuanin he unknown projectile anti hi ke chuanin drone ani rin na lian tak ka nei ani he British long beinana and Manahimo
highlights the latest in a series of events in the Persian Gulf and Strait of Hormuz that show Iran is testing the fragile ceasefire.
From our perspective, a naval blockade is considered a military act.
Kaini ngai dana chuan anteni Iran lampang khian mo kaini ngai dana chuan naval blockade hete US na Iran long tam takle Iran long chon mun ron kaldu ramdang long te po niang hetianga minlo dang rengot hi kaini ngai a chuanin military action angan nia chu wang chuan kha military action kha keini po in sipai chakna mang vegin kan sang le don ani ti di
A military act receives a military response. Let them understand this. From now on, they should assign several additional escorts to their destroyers so that if one of them starts sinking, they can at least rescue and evacuate their naval forces.
tu da chang chuanin long an ron tir aya tam an ron tir aya le tam hi ron tir zia to ro se chu ti ni lo chuanin indo long pakhathi lo ka pil sakta ila kha long kan ka pil saktura khatami te ron chan chuadan khan long dang an mamo don tin iran lampang he te hian thin thun lo chuani chu wang chuanin tuna US na military blockade naval blockade ati hi iran mudana iran thirdana chuan sipai chakna manga hetianga thil tu lo taka US na thil ati ania chu wang chuanin heng military activity sipai activity reng hi keini po in kan sipai chakna mangin kan thil ti te mangin kan chang let ve zel to don ani tin iran lampang hen tiang hianin thu an ron chu ani soito ang khan iran hi tlo man tum lo khop ni na langa in ka hayan puan te po hi an enchin ani theti hi ti chin dai la engtin ngen ron ri kang be mi ran be let na savia wangem engen ti thei enchin te ang ti ang chi te indo chun zom le hi an la chak zik po di mai thei ni iran lampang hen heti anga thil an ti zel dana hian.
While the region waits to see how Iran will respond to the latest U.S. proposal to end the war, President Trump shared a series of AI images overnight depicting Iran's navy at the bottom of the sea. President Trump was asked over the weekend about the expected Iranian response, saying this.
Iran chungchang hianin Donald Trump hianin artificial intelligence manga englo thalak vel asiam kha alo post sa khop mai ani khatiang adi bek lai khanin he reporter ten Iran chungchang hianin zone an zo ta chan chu Iran hi hun kho ral anga mitam tak hi chon an ngai ani Trump te hi chon an soi chu lo maro chu reporter tam tak te hi chon hetianga Iran in amuang changa thilan ti hi enge om zianiang hun an khoral nge an mani an ral thuam te missile thara an siam chu theina turatan le drone an siam bel theina turatan hun anin lei ani mai em tiang zona te kha an siama Trump an zo ta Trump po hianin hemi taka hi chu a hre chiang big chi alo ani.
Reports this morning in Kuwait about Iranian drones over the country's airspace, another indication Iran is continuing their attacks against.
Tu da po aron confirm le ta chiani an tangwa le hian mo fel thin khop mai Israel ta aron report zai mai ha ti chuan a soidana chodin tu da po hianin Kuwait hian be tok le me kani Iran atangin drone mangin Qatar bul naya British Indo long in ten be toka chuanin Kuwait te pon be an toka chuan United Arab Emirates te pon be an toka ni Iran atangin chu wang chu Iran hian ala top san mai ri nom lawa Israel hi an re khop mai tu lai hemi Iran chungchanga hian ma se an re kan ti lai khan Hezbollah te nen an indo vereng thawa Hamas te nen point 90 boy vereng nin alangani Israel po himo chu wang chuanin hetianga indo hi chun zom ani chuan Iran lampang hian in missile te po hi Israel hoizong hen an kap le du mayang ti hlo thona te po kha om ve thayani chu wang chuan Iran le US te hi chuan in indo hi chun zom to loila chun du ve chuan karinga ma se Iran hian du an thang sual chhole do ni na langani US lampang chuan in hemi indo ti top ani ba ka khan Iran atanga a nuclear ral thuam zong te kha kan lak sak ve kan du ani ni kuma te po khanin US lampang khan an bunker buster bomb mang khan Iran nuclear facilities tam tak te kha an lo bom chiat sak to amaro chu khabi anti chiat sak kan ti lai khan an enriched uranium nuclear program akal zel theina turatan te tin nuclear ral thuam siam chu ani theina turatana manro poimo taka ha kha Iran ku ta tanga lakhi an duani US hian tuna peace proposal US na asiam Iran ina hetianga aron chan let Trump atena an lo no le tak te po kha khata te po khanin Iran lampang chuanin Indo te chunia kan ti top theye amaro chu kan nuclear ral thuam ero hi chu kan enriched uranium ero hi chu kan petel thei lawang chu an la tifadani Iran lampang hian mo chu wang chuanin news chan khatina report dan chuan hemi Iran ina enriched uranium ani mang hian tu na hian nuclear ral thuam te nuclear bomb te mengo so bakhat ve lai chu asiam ve theyanga ngai ani chu wang chuan hethil hi United States tan chuanin Iran ko ta tanga lak sak hi apoi mo emema an lak sak thei lo ani emo Iran hianin thataka US ne na an hlan chhong du ani te ni lo chuanin US และอิหร่านอินการะเห็นpeace proposal พอฮีอมเทแค่รินารินเลวะอันจังนั่นหลักโลเวนี่นั่นละUnited States และอิหร่านเทหิโมค่ะตุนจุ่มนิวส์ตานะการหันอัปเดตเทเจวนี่วิดีโออะไรกันนินมูเลเชวตอนนี้